Hi, I'm Tim Greenwood with Warrior Tech LLC, and I'm here today to introduce you to the Safe Cycle. I invented the Safe Cycle as a way to bridge the gap between the Cruiser Safe patrol rifle and the deployable patrol rifle, a fully loaded weapon. It also helps bridge the gap between the extremely competent officer, that officer that trains with his rifle on a regular basis, and that new officer, that officer that's just not quite as familiar or competent with a long arm. The Safe Cycle is made or constructed from hardened aluminum and stainless steel components made to exact tight tolerances to be reusable. It is patent pending and only available through Warrior Tech LLC. Use is simple. The operator inserts the Safe Cycle into the chamber of an AR-15 or AR variant, rides the bolt home, and sets the Safe Cycle. By setting the Safe Cycle, I mean that the Safe Cycle is locked into the bolt face and can be retracted with the bolt. Sets the charging handle and inserts a fully loaded magazine. For this demonstration, I'm using dummy rounds. Once the magazine is inserted, the weapon can be locked into the cruiser. It can be put in the bag, the rifle rack, wherever you maintain your deployable rifles. If the well-meaning ride-along plays with the selector level, bumps the trigger, or if it gets hung up on a piece of gear or hung up on the sling in the bag, this weapon will not fire. It is completely safe. When the officer needs to deploy the rifle, removes it from the rack, and he has a visual indicator that the weapon is safe and not able to be fired. So the SWAT officer simply is reminded he must cycle the action. Okay? The weapon is hot. For that patrol officer that's just not quite as familiar with the firearm, same thing. He can cycle the charging handle if he remembers, or he can simply reach down, pull out the Safe Cycle, and deploy. Again, the weapon is hot. The Safe Cycle does exactly what it's intended to do. It is patent pending and exclusively available through Warrior Tech LLC, where we specialize in equipment for those who risk their lives for ours. Please contact me, Tim Greenwood, at www.warriortech.us. Stay safe.